Good students, today I will teach about heat and temperature. Okay? Before it, we know about heat after temperature. Heat, what is heat? Heat is a form of energy that make hot of the things. Heat is a form of energy that make an object hot. Okay? Here, heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy which make a things hot. Okay? Heat is a form of energy that makes a thing hot. Energy convert into heat and heat convert into hot. Here energy produce heat and heat hot convert into hot. Okay? All is the form of energy. Heat is form of energy and which make any objects hot. Thus energy convert heat and heat convert into hot. Then we feel hot. When you stand in some time in sunshine, after some time you feel hot. You feel hot. Many sources of heat as sun, electric, different types of the objects produce heat. Okay? Some are man-made, some heat sources are man-made and some are natural made. Okay? And you know that when any object take or gain heat and become hot. Okay? And you know that when any object lose heat, then that thing is cold. Okay? Lose heat, then cool, and gain heat, then object is hot. And you know that there are many things produce heat that is known as a source of heat. Okay? Here there are many objects. There are many objects which produce heat, they are called source of heat. They are called heat or source of heat, called sources of heat. Sources of heat. Okay? Thus, the biggest source of heat is sun. Sun is the biggest source of heat. After this, other small sources of heat, in which some are man-made heat sources and some are naturally heat of sources. Okay? Sources of heat. Sources of heat. Sources of heat. Sun is the main. Here, sun is the main sources of heat. Sun is the main sources of heat. Okay? After this, another sources of heat. After this, and other sources of heat. After this, another sources of heat. Okay? Some here, you know that some sources are naturally, some sources are some sources are naturally and some sources are man made. Okay, sources of heat, sources of heat, sources of heat. Okay, some sources are two types here. Some sources are nature and some source are man-made. And first, nature made and some are man-made. Nature made, nature as sun and star, biomass, solar, etc. And man-made electric bulb, and iron, electric bulb, iron and geyser etc. are man-made. Thus, two types of sources of heat. Some are made by nature and some made by man. Okay, students, this topic is very, very important. You all point learn. Okay, after this next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, students, thank all of you.